In this video, I will show you how to make a TikTok playlist. If you want to organize your videos and group similar content together, this method will help you do it quickly. Open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, open one of your videos. On the video page, tap the three dots menu icon on the right side of the screen. From the options, look for Add to Playlist or Create Playlist and tap on it. If you don't see this option, go back to your profile and tap the menu icon, 3 lines, at the top right. Then go into Settings and select TikTok Studio. Scroll down to More Tools and tap on Benefits or Playlist options. Here, you may see that some features unlock at higher follower counts, like 10K followers. If you don't have that yet, the playlist feature may not be available for your account. And that's how you create a playlist on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel